Hey guys, Real McCoy 411. I'm going to come on here. I'm going to keep it 100, okay? I was really inspired by Naptra 85. The way she do her own mixes. God calls everybody to do their own thing, okay? I went and I started mixing stuff. And guys, no. I'm telling you straight up. She measured her stuff out. She did her stuff right. She did her research. I did not. These are very moisturizing. The only problem is you're going to get one day out of them, and low porosity hair is going to build up like crazy. So I'm telling you guys, DIYs. And I'm gonna finish because I had to wash my hair. I had to get out all that buildup out of my hair. And my hair is just now, I have one product on it, okay? And that's the almond and avocado. I deep conditioned my hair real good, and I washed it real good, guys. And I had so much buildup. Don't do it. Stick to your own thing. Stick to what you know. I am a beginner, and I felt like I could do it, and without the right measurements and all that kind of stuff, y'all. Naptra 85, she know what she doing. She been in this game for a while. I watched her videos, and she know what she doing. Okay? She know what she doing so much that she got her own hairline out. We can't go and think, hey, if Naptra 85 did it, then I'm going to do it. See, this is what I'm using right now. Okay? This is my almond and avocado oil. And I use the shampoo. And I use the conditioner. And I use the deep conditioning mask by Shea Moisture. And I got my hair back. My hair is soft. It's back. It's back. And I'm going to start back doing my wash and goes, and taking my time just with my hair, because I'm telling you, you're new to it, and you get out there and you just be gung-ho. You be like, oh, I can do it all. I can do what she do what she do. Oh, I'm going to do what she did. I'm going to do what she do. No. Take your time. Figure out. Learn your own hair. Learn your own hair. My hair, for the time being, it's going to be a wash and go. I'm going to try to do it without the gel, because I like the softness of my hair. Now, the wet line and stream, that is my friend. That is my friend. I can use it sometimes. But as far as mixing products together, I'm gonna let DIY. The DIYs are done. Okay. I had so much buildup in my hair today that it was just not right, and I had to come on here and tell y'all, because I'm gonna tell the truth. And I'm going to have to look back at this video and say, remember that time that you said that the DIYs is not for everybody? And I'm going to have to say, you know what? I sure did. I sure did say that. Let me not get into this phase again. I just hate the fact that I didn't mix little things of little stuff. I mixed containers, which means, y'all, I'm not going to throw them products away. I'm not going to throw them products away, I'm telling you. I may have to use just a little bit and stretch it out and do the L, you know, because I'm still going to do the LCO method because that works good for me. But baby, every oil ain't for everybody, okay? I found out that grapeseed oil, I'm going to do some more research on it. Yep, I ain't even got the backdrop up. I didn't have time to even, look, I'm coming to y'all correct, okay? I'm just telling you, know what you're doing. If you know what you're doing with your DIYs, do your DIYs. If you just not getting started, you let somebody else do the DIY and you just keep doing what you know how to do, and that's your products. Man, I went this morning and I had, and this is just how I put my hair up at night. And it's so soft, it's back. But I think I sprayed, I had this one, I think, over my head. The grapeseed oil and the TGIN. And I went and I sprayed the aloe vera juice on there. And baby, them white balls just popped up. And I had to go somewhere. It's like I couldn't stop doing what I was doing. I had to go. I had to be somewhere. So I had to do this little flat twist over to the side, and you could still see the little white beads, and you could still see. Not happening again. Not. You see this? This is me. I have short, medium, awkward length hair, and right now I'm just going to focus on the softness and doing what I know how to do, and that is taking my time, sectioning off. Now that is one thing I'm going to start doing where my washing goes. I am going to damp it. You know, I don't know if I'm going to damp it with the aloe vera juice all the time. I may just do some warm water, something I know. And I'm going to section each section off and damp it and then put my extreme wet line gel on it. Because those little white things that I had to go out with in public today, even though my friend, she said she didn't see it, I know she saw it. I know she saw it. And that was embarrassing. This is what I know. My hair is very soft. I have low porosity hair. I love creams. I love moisturizers. I love the wet line and stream gel because it doesn't give me a hard cast. And even with the aloe vera juice, there are plenty of benefits for that. I don't feel like it was nothing wrong with that. But I added, in with the aloe vera juice, I added the Design Essentials leave-in conditioner. It was no reason for that. I'm doing the LCO method. The liquid, the cream, the oil. I didn't have to do the leave-in, the liquid, the cream, the oil. I didn't have to do all that. I just had to vent. Take your time. Learn your hair. What works best for your hair, let that work. Every once in a while, you may have to shake the boat up a little bit. But for right now, I'm a beginner, and I'm not going to shake the boat no more. I'm not. Nope, not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. And see, I'm going to... Look, y'all. Y'all know TGIN is not cheap. It's not cheap. I've got all that in here with some grapeseed oil. One of them don't go with something I had on my head. But once again, this is a journey. This is a journey. And we're not always going to get it right on our journeys. And I'm not going to be the one to come on here and tell you that I get it right every time. Because I don't. My hair today was broke, busted, and disgusted. And I did that deep treatment, deep conditioner on my head. And I just started pulling out stuff that match. I was like, okay, that's what I'm doing. I'm doing matching stuff. I even poured out my avocado, my aloe vera juice. I was like, maybe I don't need to use that every day. I got some warm water. Stick to what you know, y'all. Okay, just to be on the perfectionist side. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. This is my natural hair journey, and it's going to be some do's and don'ts, and I just want to make sure that you all know the do's and the don'ts. I love Natural 85, I do, and I thought I could be a trailblazer and get in there and mix up me some stuff and have my hair pretty and stuff like hers. You gotta crawl before you walk. You have to crawl before you walk. And guess what? I'm crawling. I'm crawling, dog. Okay? So, welcome to my journey. Well, y'all know it's a backdrop. Shoot. Y'all already know it's a backdrop. We're going to be 100, we're going to be 100. You know it's a backdrop. So, this is my hair after being deep conditioned, washed with my Biotin Boost, which I love, and did the LCO method on my hair, which was my liquid, my warm water. I used my cream, which was my detangling leave-in conditioner, and I also used the almond and avocado cream. Let me put that up here. So I use that with warm water, and I use that leave-in conditioner, and I sealed it off with some oil, which is hair food oil, and that's it. I'm just going to have to keep it simple. I'm going to have to keep it simple. And I don't have long hair. And I haven't been in this game for so long. Boy, boy, boy. I'm going to figure out a way to use some of that dang gum product, though. I ain't throwing that in the trash. I pay money for that. I ain't sponsored by a little bit. Okay? So, I just wanted to come on here and tell y'all that right now, I'm going to go back in here and watch me some Good Doctor. My hair is up in a protective style for at night. And tomorrow we'll be at Wash and Go. But I will be using my Something I Know. And then I'm going to pull out Old Faithful and see if she like it. I think they mix good together. I'm going to do a little section. If they don't mix good together, then it won't be no extreme. It's just going to be my cream. Because you can have a soft wash and go. You don't have to have gel to have a wash and go. But I like the way the extreme wet line defines my curls. So, alright. Yeah, don't be scared to join this page. Don't be scared. Go ahead. Click. It's going to get better. I'm just not getting started. So, at least you know I won't lie to you. At least you know that. Bloop. So, y'all have a good one. And I'm going to go ahead and upload this real quick because y'all need to know. The world needs to know. What God has for you is for you. And when He say Charlotte, stop mixing products. Then I'll do it. Until then, Charlotte, go buy the same products, put them on your hair, and use different products, all of the same brand. Yes, sir. That's what I'll do. So, keep God first in everything that you do. Keep God first in everything that you do. Because God didn't tell me to mix them products, y'all. He didn't tell me that. I just got excited from watching Natural. And I was like, ooh, girl, she mixing this and this and this. Her hair, I don't even know if we have the same hair type. So, keep God first in everything we do. And welcome to my channel, all my new subscribers. I know I'm going to have some new subscribers. Peace out, people. Love y'all.